Hello people, thanks for coming back to my channel. I very much appreciate it. We've got a very nice helmet for you today. It's the LS2 helmet, the Vector 2. We're going to do an unboxing and talk to you about the helmet. It's fairly new on the block, quite difficult to get in some places. And so let's do the unboxing, then we'll talk a bit more of the helmet when it's in front of us. So, take the box out. There's the helmet. And we have a pin lock, which you will need to fit yourself. I'm going to do that today. It's a pin lock max. This helmet, quite a nice cover, I like that. Take that box and the pin lock out of the way. It's good that it comes with a pin lock, because you'll find some of the online retailers, I'll take the pin lock out and sell it to you separately, so watch out. That's why we say go to a distributor, but more about that later. So there's the bag, LS2 helmets. Put that bag out of the way. Now this is actually a very pretty helmet. It's the tropical version. You see it's got multicolours all over it. It's a pretty helmet, I like it. They also do plain colours as well, which are £20–30 cheaper. The matte black one is very nice, you can find that. So, what can I tell you about this one? Well, as you can see from the visor label, it's 2206 compliant. It's got a high performance fiberglass composite shell in the range to cover the sizes, which is quite astonishing. They've got 6 different shells. It covers extra small, which is about 51, up to 4XL. And I've never seen one this big before. 4XL is 67 to 68. I thought mine was big bonce at 63, but 67 to 68. They also do a range of junior sizes, which I think is quite nice, for those obviously needing them for whatever function they're doing. Its head shape is what's known as the long oval head shape, which is my head shape. My head shape is more rounded. So a long oval one is probably a bit more like a shark type head shape. I'm more of an arrow myself, but there you go. It comes with, certainly with this supplier, which we'll talk about later, it comes with a pin lock ready. You've got the instructions how to install it. That's important. You need to have a pin lock. If you look at my previous helmet videos, you'll see me talk about pin locks to the point of boredom, but once you've had one, you won't want to not have one. The visor itself is scratch resistant, is UV resistant, it's an A-class polycarbonate. It also has a release here, a button release to release the visor up and down. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then click shut. It also has a drop down sun visor, which operates by a simple catch on the left hand side here. It's quite tactile, so it shouldn't be too bad with gloves, but that's got a nice UV resistance and obviously a sun visor. It's nice, I like that. Put that back up. The visor itself has been treated for fault resistance, but if you use the pin lock, you're probably not going to need it, but anyway, it's an extra. The lining itself is removable and washable. It's a breathable fabric, and it actually feels really nice. You have a chin curtain as well here, which I think is all helps to cut down wind noise and stuff. It's got a what's known as a micrometric buckle. I call it a ratchet strap, not quite a ratchet strap, but it's got a quick release thing on there as well, which is also quite nice. Internally, just quickly go for the release again. You've got a breath deflector as well to help keep your breath away from the screen. All helmets have that, which is interesting. What else can I say about it? I think the vents are quite streamlined, so I'm looking forward to this being fairly easy to open and close independently here at the top. You've got the exhaust out the back as normal on most helmets. You've also got a simple open and closed chin vent just here. I personally think that this unit's going to be on the quieter side for helmets. That's just my own personal judgment, what I can see, how it goes together. It feels good. It feels as though it's been put together properly. You need to look around. As with all helmets, I say, don't bother buying them online unless you really know what you're doing, which is going to be a very small percentage of you. Go to a distributor, get it fitted properly. There's so many different helmets, different shells, different linings, etc, different shapes of helmet. Go to a distributor like the one as we always show down below. It's worth paying the extra 20 quid, to be honest. Just make certain you get the right helmet. You get the wrong one, very uncomfortable and all very expensive if you need to replace it, because you can't take back a helmet once you've used it, for obvious reasons. Price wise, for a 2206 helmet, it's quite astonishing. You can get one for about 170 quid, maybe slightly less, depending on how many promos are on. Price matching, pattern one, maybe 20 to 30 pounds more than that, about 199 is quite typically the mark. Once again, you might be able to get it a bit cheaper, but ask nicely, you never know. So, LS2 helmets, they're made in China. A lot of stuff made in China, surprisingly. The central agency is actually in Spain, much like the Bi-City helmets, actually. There you go. Yeah, it's a good helmet. For a 2206 compliant helmet, with all those functions and options for 170 quid or less, it's a complete no-brainer. It's really nice, so I would recommend this helmet. Make certain you get the pin lock. That's about it. I'm very grateful if you could see your way to hitting the notification bell, subscribing. We don't get any sponsorship for these products, but you can see we're doing a different range of products all the time. The next one's going to be a ride review on, or wear review on Oxford jeans, so you know, we're doing a range of stuff. So please, if you like the content, you want to see more, hit the like button. It really helps us with the content, helping other people to find us. Subscribe, hit the notification, we'll be very grateful. So look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.